Happy Memorial Day. Working on the Gemini as a Virgo, folks. Look at this nasty fucking shit. So, contactor pulled in. I had power going on the compressor. The thing wasn't pumping. I checked resistance. It was all over the place. I said, oh yeah, compressor shot. But then, when I came over here to evaluate, same thing. It ohmed wrong. It didn't ohm right. And then I realized when I took these off, this fucking thing was broke off. So even though I was screwed in, I wasn't getting any contact to that terminal. So that was the problem. So, oh, you fucking cunt. Cocksucker. So basically, I was only making contact to both of these. I ohmed it right here, she ohmed good. So, yeah.